Today we shall be talking about ISP providers and IP address change for you to be able to access some restricted websites due to your own personal geolocation. Some websites and applications, they will not allow you to have access to them because of where you are trying to access them from. Either, let's say for example, you're trying to access an application or a particular website that is in Europe or in America, and you are down here in Africa or in some other continent where you cannot do that. So I already have a step-by-step video on how to change the ISP of your laptop for you to be able to access this application and website. The same formula can also apply to the mobile application. The whole tutorial for the mobile application will be dropped in the next video, but for this particular video I'm only talking about change of your IP for your laptop. So stay right tuned, so I'll take you through the brief step-by-step process of setting up your laptop for the IP to be changed so you get access to restricted website and application. Thanks for staying tuned, for watching that tutorial. So if you gain any value for this video, and you want me to make this kind of content and even more, and for me to explore the ultimate internet and give you very, very reasonable content, you should hit the like button, and then you should subscribe to my video, so the moment I drop a valuable video like this, you'll be the first to get it, and then you'll be the first to ride on this eagle swing.